Hello, I'm going to compare Grafana versus Node-RED, which data virtualization tool is better. So Grafana is a powerful open source platform for monitoring and observability, ideal for visualizing time series data, while Node-RED is a flow-based development tool for wiring together hardware devices, APIs, and online services with basic dashboard capabilities. Pros: Grafana, rich, customizable dashboards, supports many data sources, and excels in real-time monitoring. Node-RED, great for rapid prototyping, IoT integrations, and logic workflows with simple visual programming. Cons: Grafana lacks built-in automation and logic flow. Visualization is mostly read-only. Node-RED dashboard is basic and limited compared to Grafana's professional-grade visuals. So in conclusion, choose Grafana if you focus on advanced analytics, real-time monitoring, and sleek dashboards. Pick Node-RED if you need to build interactive, automated flows with lightweight visualization for IoT or quick integration tests.